Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about nails. If you couldn't tell. So I did encapsulated nails, guys. Excuse my hands, why are they ashy? I need to come on camera correct, but don't look at my knuckles, look at the nails. And these are the encapsulated nails with Polygel from Makartt. And I did these nails, of course, all by myself. I'm getting so much better with my nails. So if you want to see how I achieved this nail set, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. Make sure you join the flower gang. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Sorry. Okay, my flowers, let's get right into the video. We are going to start by, of course, laying down our tips. Like, duh. So I am just using my stiletto tips that I got from Amazon. I'm just laying these down all over my fingernails with my nail glue. Now, when I'm doing this, you want to make sure you hold it down and on the side so that they don't come up. Gotta make sure they're nice and right. So this will create them and, like, you know, cause them to just not lift or anything like that. I've noticed that once I hold them and when I put them on, they last a little bit better and longer. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I do take my nail drill and I just go over that line between my real nail and the tip. And for me, the reason why I do this is because it creates like a more of a clean, smooth surface. If you saw, I just felt it just to make sure that you couldn't feel any demarcations or anything like that. I just think it looks better. So now what I'm doing is just going ahead and filing and shaping the nail before I start adding the polygel on it. And you just want to file. I did cut a little bit off just so that it wasn't as long, and I'm just measuring them as I go along. Each nail I'm going to file and then I measure them. So I went ahead and filed all the nails, and now I'm just measuring some more. And then I grabbed that base gel that comes in the Makartt polygel set, and you're just going to put that all over the nail and your nail bed. Like, it needs to be covered completely because this is what's going to help that polygel set into your nail, okay? Alright, so this is the clear polygel from Makartt that I'm using. So I'm just going to take a little dollop of that. And of course with alcohol that it's not in the frame right now. I'm just going to start spreading that all over the nail. Now this is the first layer. So this is going to be the layer where I put the flowers on top of. So this layer doesn't have to be super thick, but it does need to cover it. The polygel is super sticky, so as long as you don't cure it, it's fine. Now what I did was I put like a really thin layer, and then I cured it, and then I put another small layer, which you guys won't get to see. But I did that because I like my nails really thick. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't put too much polygel on top of the flowers. I wanted to make sure they peek through a good enough amounts. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. You don't have to do that extra step of this, like curing it and then doing it again, which I didn't show you guys. So those are the flowers. I got these for about $7 on Amazon. And they got a bunch of other colors, so I decided to just do different colors on different nails. So what I'm doing is just taking a tweezer. You can use pretty much anything. I don't have a nail picker thing, so that's why I'm using my tweezer, and I'm just patting that in. And you just want to pat it in nice and soft because you don't want to do it where it's going to smudge your polygel. You just want it to be like little taps, like little tip, yeah, like that. So once everything is on my nail and I like where it's sitting, I'm just going to put it back in and cure it. I cure it twice. And now once it's cured, you're going to go in and you're going to add in the more polygel layers, and this is as many layers as you want. I put 2 more layers, so in total there's 4 layers on my nails, 2 on the bottom of the flowers and then 2 on top. Thin layers though, I don't like them to be, I like to build up, you know. Guys, I'm so excited. Have you guys tried to do your nails before? How did it go? Comment down below if you've ever tried to do your nails, and comment down below if you're like your own little nail tech. I want to hear from you guys. Like, doing my own nails or just doing anything with my hands really, honestly, truly soothes me, which is probably why I do everything with my hands. I do my own hair, do my own makeup, do my own nails, because it really is a therapeutic thing. So like, this stuff, yeah, I'm doing it for you guys, I'm creating content, but it's also like really soothing for me. So once I put all those layers, I'm going to go in and start filing it off, making sure that everything is nice and neat. I love my stiletto nails to be super sharp, and I just want to poke someone's eye out, basically. That is like always my motto. If they're not good enough to poke your eye out, they're not sharp enough. Like, you put on your clothes and you get like little holes from your nails. I like it that sharp. So after that, I cured it one more time, and then I'm going in with the Top It Off gel. This is like the top coat. And of course, you just put that all over the nail. I kind of saturate the nail because I like the nail to be really shiny. And since it's clear, I want the shine to really shine through. Redundant. Okay, so once you take that out, you're just going to use some alcohol just to make sure that they're nice and clean. There's no excess, you know, product or anything on it. And that's pretty much it, guys. The nails are done. I had so much fun creating these nails. I've been walking around with these nails for a few days now before I'm posting this video, and I've been getting a lot of compliments. So I'm super excited. I think this is the best nail set that I've done thus far. I think this is my 4th set, so I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to join the Flower Gang. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.